complicated, but it's fine. It's fine. Oh, shit. Devices. Oh, future's fucking funny. Sometimes. Other times it's just suicidally depressing, but you know, it's your fucking Faustian bargain, man. Faust. Dr. Faustus. I actually learned, and this fucking blew me away. Faust, or I don't know, Dr. Faust, The Curious Case of the Dr. Faust. Fucking was written by that guy. Shit. Who also wrote Young Werther and invented the fucking Urpflanze. Urpflanze. And also Girdle. No, fuck, no. Wait. No. Fuck. Which thread am I gonna pull on? I think I'm gonna pull. No, I pulled Urpflanze too recently, I feel like. Young Werther. Let's just do that. No, that's not what I wanted. No. Sorrows of Young Werther. Yeah, dude. Goethe. Goethe. Johann Wolfgang Goethe. Cool guy, I guess. But, yeah. Don't learn one of those every day. Get the streamoscope here. Oh, my book. It's done cooking now. That's nice. So get that. Oh, I did want to remark on one thing. I found some info yesterday, because I have this godforsaken thing here. The camera. Oh, I should give that another wipe here. Glasses cloths. Still kind of dubious whether that I spelled the plural of cloth right. It looks weird. It sounds weird. Feels weird. Looks like I'm trying to spell clothes, but I fucked it up. Like Aiden. God bless her. God bless her heart. She can't fucking spell. That's fine. You don't have to know how to do that, but it's like what do they call that? A fucking... Not proxy, but more like machine learning-y than proxy. It's a word. I almost just said intrinsic, but that's not right either. It's a not metric. That's not the right word I'm looking for. Heuristic. Yeah, it's a bad heuristic, not knowing how to fucking spell. I mean, it depends on what stage of your life you're in, I guess. But, I don't know. Let me just fucking show you. I fixed it. Howie. Anyway. Oh my god, partner. That's nice. That's pretty good. Stop. It's so stupid. Oh, this is stupid. Sorry, this is like really annoying. That's all I have the patience for.
Making a half smoothie?
Yeah, I guess so. Is it good? It's not bad. Some shit that Flick would make. I wonder if that recorded any of that shit or not. Huh? Looks fine. Looks fine to me. The fuck? Did I spill it? Something dripping again? My god, I had like 2 fucking spider jump scares last night. Kind of was entertaining, at least. I like pretending that I'm not afraid of spiders. Whenever there's one on me, I fucking spaz out. Which, I mean, I suppose it's only natural, you know. It's good. Good that I still work like that, but it is just purely unpleasant. It almost fucking precedes language. I can't even describe it. It's just, you have to have a fucking spider on you and be embodied in a historically spider oppressed body to know what I'm talking about. You'll flip out. I would flip out. So, guess I should only speak for myself. Let's see. If I put Jesus Christ. No. Don't even put that on. Don't even turn it on. I'm just gonna put the headphones on so that I can actually ramp these guys up. That was a mistake I made when designing this camera mount. Is that the fucking just the angle's wrong. So it's like looking up as if I was doing this all the time when actually I'm down here doing stuff and I want to record that. But anyway, I would make another one, but I'm all out of Figment. It's not TPU. I guess I could just do it TPU. It probably. Actually, that would probably work better than what I was doing before, so. I might give that a try. Okay, where were we? Really, I ought to fucking fix the laser cutter because that's instrumental in my books. Been making a lot of books. Let me show you my books. Okay, this is a text block, which there's no text in it, so I don't know what I should call it instead. The fucking, what is that thing? Deus Ex Machina. Plot device whereby a seemingly unsolvable problem in a story is suddenly or abruptly resolved by an unexpected, unlikely occurrence. I get those all the fucking time. Damn, I never knew that was what that meant. But what's the literal meaning? What? It's fucking stupid. Oh my god, that usually doesn't happen anymore. That's funny. God from the machine. I don't know why I thought of that, but yeah, short-term memories. I'm not even gonna remark on it. It's fun. Get out of here, bossy David. I'm having fun. Don't fall for the Elon Musk trap. Or the trap that Elon Musk pointed out, and I heard about it from him for the first time that I heard about it, but don't optimize things that shouldn't exist. That's the thing. So now you know. As I'm literally doing that. Lol, ex machina. Okay, there's my monitor. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that one. Always on that damn phone. Okay, so it's really bad because this gets the fucking exposure like really wrong. Maybe that's like a no, don't touch the settings. They're Chinese and they don't work. Not that they're Chinese, but you know, something being Chinese is a good heuristic for bad design. At least up until now, but Yeah, this really is quite annoying. Huh? Just have to hold it real close, maybe. Yeah, there's a faint grid there. A dot grid, but it's actually not a dot grid. It's a little plus, little crosses, and dots. I wanted to have... It's basically like each page, so this is one page. It has big plus marks in the corners, in the center, and the midpoints of the edges. So that's like level 1, okay, of subdivision. So it's 1, 2, like, so one binary partition is demarcated by these biggest, most visually catching, or the most best evident ones you can see easiest. Anyway, Jesus. And then there's another smaller and slightly fainter plus partition denoting level 2. So that's, oh, now we had 2 to the 0, we had 1 space, and then 2 to the 1, 2, 4, so fourths are that symbol, and then eighths, and that's the last level of plus that I have. And then it goes to dots, so then 16 and 32 in a tiny dot and an even tinier dot. And I even have, this one is actually, goes to 64, so that's 6 binary partitioning steps. I really like this one. It's very fine, and it's not like this other notebook I made first and lost, I guess. I lost. A bit sad in it. This one, which has, God, I think the camera's overheating now. Fuck me in the ass. These are 1/2 inches, and then the tiny dots are 1/10 of an inch, so it's fucking not, is not fucking binary at all. It's like fifths-nary, and it's just shit to work with, because I constantly want to divide things in half, and then, you know, God forbid I want to divide them in half again, and it's just like, fifths don't work for me. But maybe for some people, maybe if you're like gay or retarded, that might work well for you, but I mean, I guess I am gay or retarded, so I don't know. Just, it was one thing I tried first and then thought I could do it better, so now I have this, and I think it's better now. And then in the future, I'll think that's stupid too, maybe. Or maybe it's just the best. It's like a fucking platonic form of graphing paper or some shit. But anyway, I was making these a lot, and I want to sell them, but I really have trouble selling things unless it's like, I don't know, perfect, but that's, I'm not going to assume I have perfect judgment, so, you know, but, yeah, I just don't want to rip somebody off ever, but anyway, they're getting good, and so I think I can sell a couple of them soon and finally get enough money to buy fucking some PLA filament and a fucking cursor subscription, and Spotify and ChatGPT. But those are the only things that I really buy, because I'm gay and retarded and unemployed, so. Anyway. And do some picking up here. These are all irrelevant. I don't know a fucking idea what I'm gonna do with that. That can go over there. This can go to the doodads. The interstitial doodads. That was so cool. I gotta fix that fucking feature where blades just spring up and try to cut me. It's not very cool. God, it's so disorganized in here. Just fucking make it worse. Oh. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Fucking progressively gets less and less fine. But I don't know. It's just shit in general is like that, so I guess my apathetic cope is shit in general is like that, so just gotta deal with it. I don't know if this is the advanced version of the baby toy game with the shapes and the holes, or if this is like the fucking extremely depraved and debased version of it, because really neither the shapes or the holes exist outside of like, I don't know, my fucking you know, Descartes and shit, whatever. Stick. This guy, oh fuck me in the ass. It's dying already, huh? Hmm? That's what I would say if I had like a premature child. Fuck me, dude. Fucking it's dying already. Shit, man. I just fucking turned it on. See if I can find Waldo. Oh, here he is. But can I find the other thing? I think I have done so already. I'm gonna get rid of this fucking giant fan. Great big fan of you. Where was it plugged in? I honestly, dude, I really need to fucking revamp the tools and shit and all that stuff. Oh, exactly what I meant. Stuff just falling all over this place, and it's really unsightly, and just like, what is it? Just like feathers and like an upside down bottle of super. Like, what the fuck? What do they call that? Were you raised in a barn or something like that? Yeah. Still gotta get back to the subtask here. It's just gonna be plugging in the fucking goggles. Oh, this is a great segue back to the thing that I almost forgot about, I was gonna talk about earlier. Which is that I was learning last night, and I found out about ESP32 camera, ESP32 cam boards. It's all the shit in one board. You can just like, it's like a wireless webcam, basically. It streams to its own little local host server, which would be way fucking better than this. And I could put it in the glasses and have it. They cost $10, about probably 15. And yeah, that would be a cool thing to get. But alas, I don't have the fuck around money at the moment. So. Money's gay and retarded. I need a longer one of these, but I'm pretty fucking sure I don't have that. So, oh, but that's why I was cleaning up over here, because I could move the tripod thing with the goggles on it, and get it a little bit closer to that sweet USB-A female port thing, and but now it's done. Yeah, I'm gonna start working on my Robert Sapolsky impersonation, because I'm really bad at impressions, but I think his is pretty easy to do, and I think it's a high reward investment, so nobody's gonna fucking get it unless I like go to fucking Harvard again. That was cool. I went there once to see a girl who I had a biology for, but she was like untenably autistic, and also I'm fucked too. And it just didn't end well. That's all I have to say about that. fucking, I met her in nurse jail, so get what you pay for. She is actually pretty cool. Fiona. Fucking sweep it under the fucking bench. That's a little bit better. It's an incremental progress. This thing was a giant waste of time. It's my paint. It's my mini paint roller. It's actually pretty stiff, and I mean the Revolute joint is not so good, but I don't know. It was fun nonetheless. I had fun making it. You had fun. Although I went into fucking Fusion 360 and I don't know. I feel like these little random ass like side quests that I end up doing, I'm like, am I gonna? Yeah, whatever. I guess I'll take it into Fusion and do that, because I know by now I know that. What the fuck? Is never like, it's should be a fucking 5 minute. Oh, I just had this part for take 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Because it takes 2 hours. It takes 40 hours of time, which isn't. Time becomes very abstract when you start fusing. So, it's a part I made for the roller. There's a bolt involved. I didn't draw the handle. You probably can't even fucking. It's probably just washed out white screen. So maybe that'll be better, but yeah, this is the turn the fucking opacity control back to 100. Is the roller that you put on. And then this is the plug. I just called it plug. Plug, and then the plug. It doesn't even fucking matter. It doesn't even fucking matter. Basically, the joke I wanted to make is like, when the situation like escalates to, okay, I need to go into Fusion and like design a thing, a part, or an assembly, or fucking whatever even comes after that. Invent a religion in Fusion 360. It's like, and it'll be the fucking, for like little tiny one-off things that it's totally not, it's totally flies in the face of the Elon rule. Like, you're optimizing something that's actually fucking retarded and should not exist. But basically, I just wanted to make a comparison that, like, I feel like when the Karen says, you know, I need to speak to the manager, I delivered that very poorly, but that was the joke. Anyway. Put a fucking brighter light bulb in that shit. What would happen? Dude, what would happen? I don't even have a brighter light bulb. Christ. Some don't. Oh. Some don't feel too good. What is this one? I bet it looks like trash. It's hot. Oh wait, is it the same shit? No. I don't think so. Fucking LED my ass, these are hot. Oh my god, it's gonna look horrible. It's gonna look horrible. Oh. No, that's not bad. No, actually, it's not bad. Can you... Oh, fuck. How many retards does it take to electrocute myself? These things are sick, by the way. I'm pretty sure, like, maybe they're not allowed anymore, because I have never seen one other than in a box of old electrical shit down here. I was like, whoa, you can do that? That's awesome. And that, I honestly never use it, but which is probably why it was in a box of bullshit down here in the first place. But sorry, I got a little glottal there. I'm gonna look at this video now. Bye.